Jason White. I'm a street sweeper and I work for Urbaser. I sweep roads, I pick up all the litter, all the bottles, change the bins, pick up the leaves, anything that's on the floor basically. I've been doing this job for 18 years now and I've been using the Vanguard for 12. I take it out in the morning, I do an 8-hour shift, it will last me all day. I bring it back, put it on charge, it will stay on charge all night. I reckon it will last another couple of days, a couple of shifts I think. I don't have to do anything basically, I'm just walking along waving the pipe and that's it, and it picks everything up. When you're pushing a barrow, you do feel your back and you do feel your shoulders. The Vanguard, it's not as hard on your back, I'm just pushing down on a lever and it goes itself. That's it, and then it's point and shoot. I would recommend this Vanguard, yeah, to anyone, any sweeper, because it's a lot quicker and you'll get more roads done. The fact that it's electric and I don't have to push it, the fact that I don't have to touch the litter, it sucks straight up the pipe, it's brilliant. I love it.